We're in the Saratoga mountain. It's like in a trail, prospect trail, all the way to the mountain. At the end, and there's a big gorge here. The restoration area going on here. There's like a villa or something, but kind of like, up and down. But it's quite like a beautiful scenic place. This 360 view, and I'm here saying hi. There's the trail here, and we came all the way up from the parking lot. Continue to walk now. Thank you. We are here almost kind of like a tall vintage point in Saratoga mountain. So here taking a small video against the sun, and 360 people are hiking up there. You can go even higher. We continue to keep on climbing. So it's in Saratoga, California. We're just doing a small hiking. It's a beautiful mountain spot here. A lot of like trees, and here I am against the sun. And showing you again. Yeah. So we are almost at the top of this mountain. It's just an amazing view. There's a lot of like multi-million-dollar houses in Saratoga. 360, and I believe, I don't know the whole topology of this trail. There's supposed to be another higher peak, Macy's Peak, and this side is basically another trail we can go. But so far, as you see, we have come down like quite a bit, come up quite a bit from where we actually like stopped our car. So maybe like a half a mile up. Here I am basically taking video. Yeah, Sesu, you want to say hi? Yeah.
Hi, it's very beautiful here. We're almost on the top of the trail, and there is, I think, another 1 mile maybe up going around the loop. But the view is fantastic from here, and it's a beautiful sunny afternoon, and great.
It's only 30 seconds. You cannot talk a lot. Just say hi, hello. We're enjoying. That's it.
Okay, we are going down from the top of the trail, the Saratoga Open Space Preserve. As you see, the trail is very steep down here while you are climbing down. The trail is from the parking lot to the top of the mountain. It's about 1.1 mile. The parking lot is very tight. You get about like 20 cars you can park. If the lot is full, they don't recommend you to park there. And so once you got the parking, and you need to have a good shoes. And the trail in the beginning, as I mentioned, it's very steep. And as you see here, this is up the trail. We just came down, and we are going this here. And right side you see the valley. It's very deep.